Well, basically, Chintan is a partnership between people like us, people who are middle class Indians with a good education, and recyclers from the informal sector. And that includes waste pickers and traders both. And Chintan in this partnership tries to make sure that basically we get better livelihoods, more formal access to waste for the informal sector, but also get the middle class public to kind of understand the importance of the poor in keep. So there are three ways by which it's organized. The fundamental way is that everybody has to get organized, because many people have work but they still are not recognized, or they're humiliated, or they're beaten, or they have to pay bribes. So the number one thing is to be organized. The waste recyclers have their own organization called Safai Sena, which means an army of cleaners. So what they do is they use Chintan's work is to help them make that stronger and independent of Chintan. The second level is, as and when we find opportunities for either formalizing livelihoods or improving livelihoods, we do that, which basically means that we could do doorstep collection in certain areas so that the waste pickers who were walking around that area now become formal. We could get a place where they could sort out waste and sell it for better values. We could look at electronic waste, which is obviously a new kind of waste in India, old mobiles, old chargers. And we could basically, by collecting them and making sure they get to a formal recycler, we reduce pollution, but the collection itself is an opportunity for a good livelihood. So that's the second area after organizing. And the third area we do a lot of work in is that we work with children who are waste pickers, and we try to put them through our non-formal schooling and help them to go to school so that there's no child labor in recycling. I mean, there are 20 million informal sector actors minimum in India. So it's, well, 2 million are waste pickers, but we would say there'd be many, many more who would be sorters and things like that. So it's huge. We have to make sure that they are part of a system, because we cannot afford to ignore them and make them lose their livelihoods.